In this video, I'm now going to show you how you can change the volume of your B900 display panel. So you will take your remote that you have programmed to your screen. You press the enter button to switch your remote on. Then you press the function key on the remote. It will show Fun 1 on your display panel. You will change the 1 to a 5 by pressing 5 on the remote. And when it shows 5-1, you change that 1 to a 2 by pressing 2 on the remote. Then once it shows Fun 5-2, you press enter on your remote, and you will now see the current volume is 10, so you can make that higher or lower by using the left and right key on your remote. So we will move it down. Once you are happy with your volume, you just press the enter key on your remote. It will tell you setting success, and you can exit by pressing function until you see your home screen again. That is how you change the volume of your B900 display panel. Thank you very much for watching.